Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla. Artist say, I don't want to clash me night. I'm keep on like a clash show before him come. Oh, Lord God, listen to that. How me clash boy when me a clash them. Watch ya. Hear them lagoon. And I know, holy the legal, I know, hey, legal, we don't go post rifle shot, dog, that shot, I take a legal, holy the legal, hey, legal, I know, post rifle shot, watch out. The murder sees a free and kill every legal kind of mackerel, solve with its slow piece and simple like the DJ this me, line and cripple, Magnum take off and desert vehicle. The so boy like to stay illegal and then I pull it like I went to say it no weevil. We take them to a earthy vehicle, and we put them to a church is evil.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to say this very quick and fast, right? Now, first of all, it's not the first time I see this man posted on social media in a video. It's not the first video I see of this man, you know. This is the second video I see, and to be honest, viewers and subscribers, I don't know if it's the same person post the video. However, they are trying to make the whole world know so that this man have talent, right? This man that would seems to be a mentally ill man, right? Or as according to what has been said on social media, that he's a mentally ill person, right? Jamaicans would say madman. Now, viewers and subscribers, sometimes you see some people on the road and they would say that that person is a madman or is a mentally ill person. Sometimes you see them, they are not mad and they are not mentally ill. It's just that they probably have them just give up, right? Probably they just give up in life. You get me? Because sometimes life is very harsh on some person and there are other things that could cause them to end up in that form of a situation or that kind of a situation. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, what I'm going to say towards this right now is that, in my point of view, if a producer should ever look at this person, get rid of all that thing that is considered as dirt, you know, clean him up, as how some people would call it, you know, put him in good clothes and so forth, and then put him in a studio and voice him, record him, publish a song with him. In my point of view, I think that you cannot lose as a producer, viewers and subscribers. Any producer will do that. You see me? Even if you don't make it big time from this person who then says a madman, you're going to get a feedback. You get me? I say to you, even if the feedback is that you try to help this person, because this video is out on social media, and that is just one of the main part of comments that is out there. A lot of people said this in the comments out there, saying that a producer should take him up, he would be perfect to make it on the road, this man just need help, he has talent, you know, a producer need to just put an eye on him. All kind of comments. That's one of the main sets of comments that has been made towards this video that is out on social media about this man that is said to be a madman. Alright, you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I just bring to you what going out there on social media, and this video is out there right now getting somewhat of a buzz. Alright, so just let me know what you think. Is it that this man has talent, or is it that he don't have talent? You know, in my point of view, I like how him really slur with the rhythm and all these things. So even if some of the things that he says might not make no sense, because some people might say what him said don't make any sense, but there's a lot of people just really find it amusing what this man had said in the little piece of video clip where you see here. Alright? So let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. So until the next time, if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.